Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So, do you remember the Towplane that I made a few months ago? Yes, I have crashed it. And I'm happy that I built it very strong, so it didn't crash so bad, and only the front part of the fuselage was damaged, and also just the tip of the wing. So in this video I will show you what it took me to repair it, and yes, so here you can see that even if it's a very heavy plane, it flies very well. So I decided to obviously rebuild it. The first thing to do was to repair the electronic ignition box. As you can see, the cables were stripped, the cables for the sensor, and I had to re-weld them. After that I passed on to the wing, and as you can see I cut out a piece of foam and replaced it with a solid block of balsa that I have carved out, and smoothed it with the airfoil shape, and as you can see it is a clean work. Next is the fuselage, and here you can see that I have already cut it square with the base in order to have a place to start, and here are the new pieces freshly cut from the CNC. I added some lightning holes in order to make it a bit lighter. And here you can see that I am gluing everything together before joining the two parts together. Here you can see a mock-up of the two parts, the front new part and after the older part that has been saved. And here I have joined everything together, and I am gluing everything to make it airworthy again. So you can see all the reinforcement for the landing gear, and here the reinforcement on the joining piece. As you can see, I have added some hardwood squares on the sides in order to get the joint stronger, and also I added the veneer on the underside and also on the sides, and covered everything with red film. I also upgraded the hinges on the tails feathers with bigger ones, as you can see, and here is the new radio compartment, the front part with the fuel tank, the ignition box and everything else, and just a view of what it is now. So after having changed the main color from white to white and red, I also added some color on the wings, so I added a chili pepper on one, and on the repair of the other wing I added the square flag. So if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I hope to upload a video soon of the plane flying, and yes, see you soon, bye!